Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you 6 evergreen niches that are low in competition. But before I share with you those 6 niches, I just want to share with you my 2 print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. I actually have it on the end of the month sale right now, so you can get it only for $9.99. You get 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. And I also have one for Redbubble as well. Same thing, step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Redbubble, also on sale till the end of the month. This one you get 20 lessons and it's also over an hour of content. These 2 courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble. When we take a look at my credentials on Merch, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales. I made over $38,000 in royalties on the Merch by Amazon platform. And when we take a look at my credentials on Redbubble, over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000. My best month was in June 2022 last year, where I did 317. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description and also have them as a pinned comment. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. So the niche or the niches that I have for you today is going to be in the surgery niches. The surgery niche. And actually, I found this niche scrolling on TikTok. There's a guy that I follow on there. I like watching or following his content. I forget his name. I'll try and put it in the description. But he was talking about searching into Google about the most common surgical procedures. And so what I did was just checked it out. And when you type that in, you're going to see there's a whole bunch of surgeries. And now some are kind of high in competition, like this one, appendectomy. Like if you type that in, there's over like 2,000 results. But there's a lot of these that are low in competition that are selling. So I just want to show you the ones because I already did the research for you. So the first one that I have for you is the coronary artery bypass surgery. Here we're going to see 947 results, under 1,000, which is my sweet spot. And we can see this is what the designs look like. Now, for these niches, the BSRs aren't going to be like that amazing. You know, the majority of them are in the millions. When you have like 1 million or 2 million BSR, you're usually getting about only 1 sale a month or 2 sales a month. But if you have your Merch by Amazon portfolio just loaded up with a whole bunch of these low competition niches that sell at least once a month, like if you have 1,000 of those designs that can sell once a month, you know, that's 1,000 sales a month, you know, times 5, you know, you do the math, you can make some pretty good money. So I like focusing on these low competition niches that not too many people know about. And this is one right here. Let's take a look at the next one that I have for you. This one is going to be cataract surgery. I believe that's for your eyes. We're going to see 641 results. Same thing here. BSRs in the millions, but they are selling. You kind of get an idea of what the designs look like right here. Next up is going to be, I don't even know if I'm saying this right, but hysteroscopy. Probably totally butchering that, but this one's really low. It's only 20 results. Again, but you're going to see selling. I mean, this one's under 1 million results. So that's another good one for you. I think this is the 4th one right here. 4th one is going to be colectomy. So I think that has to do something with your colon. Again, 120 results. Same thing, million BSRs, but they are selling. Now, I didn't do any research on Etsy, Redbubble, or TeePublic because there would just be too many tabs open on my browser, but you know, you can pretty much bet on it that, you know, if they're low on competition on Amazon, then they're going to be low on competition on the other platforms as well. So, you know, do your research and get these designs posted or uploaded onto all platforms. But the 5th one that I have for you is, again, I don't even know how to say it, tonsillectomy, 212 results. You know, you can see tough guys don't need tonsils. Now, I didn't do any trademark research on these, so, you know, you're going to have to do your due diligence, you know, and make sure you check the trademarks, go on to tests. In my course, I actually teach you how to understand and read trademarks to keep your account safe and prevent you from getting, you know, suspended or terminated or anything like that. But again, we can see low in competition, 212. They're selling BSRs. Like this is a pretty good BSR right here. And then the 6th one, or the final one, which I think is maybe even one of the best ones because I just know a lot of people that have had hip replacement surgery. That's the niche, 404 results. And here we can see like this kind of funny hippie right there. You know, 87 reviews. Look at this, 302 BSR at $19.99. So again, you know, these are some pretty good niches that not too many people know about. They're low in competition and they're selling. These are also really good for gifts. You know, a lot of times people go on to, you know, these POD platforms to buy gifts for people. So these are good niches for you. One thing you can do if you're looking for designs is go to Creative Fabrica or Creative Fabrica. And basically I just typed in surgery and you're going to see the different type of surgery designs that they have. Now you can get more specific. You can type in the niches like I showed you here. But you can see you get some pretty good designs here. Now, you do have to understand something about the licensing when it comes to Creative Fabrica. So, like I just clicked on one right here. If it just says commercial usage allowed, you can't just upload this design as is. You have to like add some other element in, take some element out. You're not allowed to just upload it as is. But if the design says commercial and full POD usage allowed, then you can just upload this design as is. All right, so it's important that you understand that. If you're interested in signing up for Creative Fabrica, I actually have an affiliate link in my description. So if you go to any one of my videos, click on the description, and right here where it says my favorite POD tools, there's going to be a Creative Fabrica link. It's an affiliate link, so if you do sign up with them, I do get a small commission for that. They are charging, I believe, like $59 a month. Breaks down like, I'm sorry, $59 for the year. It breaks down to $5 a month. But you get access to all of their graphics, all of their designs for a whole year. And that price actually gets locked in because sometimes I've even seen it go up to like $79 or $129 for the year. So that is basically going to be the video for today. 6 niches for you, all low in competition, all selling. Make sure you check the trademarks before you upload anything. Get those designs uploaded onto all POD platforms, especially like TeePublic, Redbubble, and Etsy. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out videos on a regular basis about trending niches, evergreen niches, things to design for on all the print-on-demand platforms, merch, Etsy, Redbubble, TeePublic. And if you're struggling to get sales on merch, if you're struggling to get sales on Redbubble, you might want to consider taking a look at one of my courses. All right, so that's going to be it for the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.